What is going on, you guys? Welcome back. As you guys can see, we are in the F8X garage facility out here about to install another part on the M3. Super excited for this one. As you guys saw, I did do a little bit of an unboxing for you guys. I'm just super excited to finally get these installed. Huge shout out to JQ Works. Thank you so much for supporting and sponsoring today's video with the build, as far as sending me their latest product. It is their special race style magnet paddle shifters. Super excited to throw these on the car, so thank you again. But yeah, we're about to get into the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned. We're about to do the install. Yeah, so apparently Dreezy's car is here. You know that means we're gonna go ahead and mess it up a little bit. I'm just kidding, bro. It's in good hands. Got my car, took it to work today, had my guy Armando wash it for this weekend. Car is nice and clean now, ready for the weekend. Don't know what we're doing, but I do know we are installing these paddles. Trust me, you guys need to get these. But we got the homie F8X's X5M. Looks so good. I'm forever gonna be in love with this SUV, man. Definitely at one point would love to have one, but yeah, this thing looks really good. But yeah, we're actually gonna be low-key installing Idris's front mount intakes. I got him to we've got Idris into the mod bug, so he's already stage 2, as you guys know. He's got the tune, he's got the downpipes. Shout out to Kenny at A8 AutoWorks. You guys saw in the last video. But yeah, I do have my front mounts also waiting to be installed. I did finally get an update from Apex. I've been waiting to install the intakes because they have been getting my brand new charge pipes ready, and those charge pipes kind of need to be installed at the same time. Hate to install the intakes and then have to take one of the intakes off just to install the charge pipes. So been waiting on that. They finally sent me an update. I am rocking their very first charge pipes in a certain colorway. I think it's called Sunburst. And I just posted on my IG, so if you follow me, you already saw that. And so they're already gonna be sending me those. So we're gonna do the install on those very shortly. I just wanted to do it all together. So gonna have Kenny help me out with those at some point at A8 AutoWorks. But for now, just came to kick with the homie F8X, and we're gonna go ahead and do the install for the paddles. So super excited. All right, Idris, this ain't no Honda Civic, but we gonna see what we can do. All right, we're gonna be installing front mount intakes for the homie Dreezy. He got his stock ones right here. He's got an M5 2020 competition, and yeah, I convinced him to get some intakes, and he went front mount just like me. So this will be a little test run, see if we can even do it ourselves. But Dreezy's not here, so hopefully when he gets here, we're done, or we haven't broken anything. So yeah, easy.
Just like that, boys.
Easy. Gotta take off these strut bars. All right, you guys, so if you haven't seen on my IG, I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing for you guys real quick. In the middle of doing Idris's intakes, I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up picking up for the F80. If you guys haven't, these are one of the most popular mods right now for our cars. It is the newer magnetic working paddle shifters made by JQ Works, and they're super sick. So this is how they come packaged up. They come with a nice warranty, nice little signature, stamp, date. But yeah, these are them, you guys. Super sick, super hyped on these. They're gonna look so good in the F80. What's cool is I've always wanted carbon fiber paddle shifters, and the ones that I got right now are the Auto Technic gloss black. And yeah, they're a little bit strong, but these ones, you guys, these ones are super stiff, and they are the carbon fiber. They got that carbon fiber look on them, but these are sick, man. So sick. After I drove Kevin's car, I just had to get these, and these are definitely a must after using them in his car. So again, thank you JQ Works. These are going straight into the F80. Just got them, so wanted to install them same time. When you actually are working them, they do a nice little clicking effect. So if you don't know what I mean, when you're clicking it, it's super responsive, and you can tell that you are shifting. With the stock ones, it has a very like plasticky feel, obviously, and even with the ones I currently have, they're definitely not as stiff. Any angle I touch on this, even at the very end of it, it's gonna shift. It's not gonna. That's the thing with my previous ones that were a big issue, and yeah, now having these ones, I'm definitely gonna keep them the way they are. But let me show you guys the other option they do come with. So if you don't want something so out there, they did come with 2 smaller paddle shifters. So as you can see, we got one again for the right side and one for the left side, again in this carbon fiber finish. Now what's cool is you think, oh, I gotta go ahead and take off the whole unit just to switch paddles. What's really cool is all that's holding the actual paddles in place are these 2 little screws here. So once we hook this up, all I'll need to do is go reach around the back and find the screws and go ahead and take them off, and then we can just reattach the other ones that we want to add on. Super simple, super cool that they thought of that. And I'm sure they have, or if they don't already, I'm sure they'll be making other designs that you can easily just swap out. So definitely check them out, you guys. It also just comes with a couple spare screws and a nice little Allen key, perfectly fitted for the screws on the back, and another little set of screws to connect them. All right, so I'm gonna do a little bit of unboxing for Idris as well. Damn, this dude, his front mount intakes, oh my god, this is actually still pretty heavy. He ended up going with a full silicone version, not titanium. Unfortunately, I told this guy to go ahead and get the titanium ones just like me, but he went ahead and got full silicone. And he could have got titanium because he ended up going through Arcade Tunes, and he was gonna go for the black ones, but they didn't have them available, so he went with these dark blue. It's actually a pretty nice color. I think it will look pretty sick on his car, but we'll see. He wants to run maybe the black ones that came with mine when I unboxed mine, because I ended up getting a different color, as you guys will see very soon. But I ended up buying a different color cone so you could actually see it. So his is more going to be visual through the grills, but not much of a difference in the engine bay. Obviously, he's not going to have these big boxes in his engine bay, but nothing pretty about this design, just straight to the point. All right, so pretty simple design, definitely much easier. I'm sure if these would have been titanium, we'd be a little bit more careful. But since they're a full silicone, pretty easy. All you have to do is kind of, we didn't even really technically remove it all, but there's this little rubber piece that makes this opening too small, so we just pushed it out of the way. You didn't really even need to take it completely off. And now we're gonna try to fit his cones on.
What step is this?
Lubrication.
Lubrication. Soapy water.
It really does help this install though.
Hey, trust me.
Not really gonna work for any other finish. Chill. Alright, we already installed the first one. Looks dope. Fool's playing thumb wars with the tube. Kind of messed up though. Low-key didn't give you guys the stock intake
That's alright.
noise, but that ain't gonna matter, because as soon as you hear this, I'm sure if you are stock, you're gonna want to do this real quick. We've been working on the M5s. You gotta develop an accent. M5 over here.
What?
Bro, no. You got it. Hey.
I was like, damn, that shit's, you still got the fucking undertrail on that bitch, man.
That
She
shit
ain't never
left.
coming back.
What you say?
What, boy?
But I installed them intakes.
Fucked it up, boy.
you wanna F9 there? Oh man. All you see on YouTube with this car is a bunch of Euro install videos. Alright, so the cones are buttoned up. Now we're just gonna tighten up the two little straps up top. And then we're gonna start her up, see how she sounds. I'm freaking hyped for Idris though. This shit's gonna sound so sick.
It is.
This car's already super loud, you guys. Just the catless downpipes ended up making it super loud. Yeah, it sounds insane already. And now we're gonna add more noises to this car. It's gonna be insane. All right, let's get it. Here you go, Dreezy. First startup. See what I mean, you guys? This car is so loud already. Now we gotta hear what it sounds like. Alright, not gonna lie, when we were trying to rev it outside, we did not hear no whoosh noises, no turbo noises, no intake noises at all. Literally. Nothing like in the videos. So we're gonna try to go take it for a drive, see what's going on. Hey!
It's kind of hard to see with that bright ass fucking flash.
Oh, my bad. That's just normal. You gotta go deeper into the gear. Bro, what the hell? I'm a little disappointed.
Turn that shit.
Oh, why is it like that? Let me get out of the car and then I'll see if I can hear the noise. Okay, you do hear it. You actually do hear it, you guys. Oh my gosh, you do hear it. I thought that was gonna be a waste. I don't know what I was expecting, but on the videos that RK Tune posted, same exact intakes, it does not. We were trying to rev it up and it wouldn't just create that noise. I don't know why. You can hear it when you're getting on it. Bro, on this dead street, this car is ridiculously loud. I think the more you drive it, like, it's starting to, like, yeah, I don't know.
I definitely can hear it now.
Hear that? That's from the front.
Up.
It's from the front. He just got a big ass hood. That's why. Long ass front end. It's every shift, bro. It's like just boom,
It's hard.
boom. Yeah. Oh, even on the downshift too now. Bro, if you had this car, you'd be a menace.
Man, yeah,
You'd straight up be a menace.
hard.
Let's go. All right, Dreezy. Not a waste.
Damn.
All right, Idris. They were worth it. All right. So we're about to pull up my car over here just so we have a little bit more light. I mean, we have the flashlights and stuff, but we're going to go ahead and do the install now finally. It's night. We got to use the flashlight. But as you can see, I do have the Auto Technic gloss black paddles for my steering wheel. And I have the M Performance. My steering wheel is low-key dirty. For those who have one, might be able to tell. Those who don't, it shouldn't really look so like shiny per se. But yeah, I have the Sonax, which is what you need to use for the Alcantara on the steering wheel. Gonna be washing it pretty soon. Just wanted to go ahead and do the install on the paddles, and then probably tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and clean the wheel. We're gonna take these off again. No clicking, just the original, because you end up using just the original backings on these from factory. So this piece now, it's like all plasticky. The ones that came with JQ's setup, it's all metal. It's all stainless steel, so it's sick. All right, you guys, so we got one on. Show you guys a comparison of the two. We've got the old one. Again, just reusing your old OEM ones when you buy the Auto Technic ones. With these ones, you end up switching out the whole unit. So even this unit piece is a metal piece. And you can see it's almost about the same length too. Maybe just a little bit shorter. Oh, video game status. Video game. That's it, you guys. So again, don't need to take the steering wheel completely apart. But yeah, these might be for sale. If anybody wants them, these are the Auto Technic gloss black. Sick! That was quick. Time!
Let's go.
Damn. Sheesh! Peep that. Carbon fiber on carbon fiber. Oh my gosh. These things. It's just the feedback, you guys. I cannot explain it. Ever since I drove Kevin's, my paddles have never felt the same. Just the response, just that you can literally hit it even from the bottom, you guys. Like, I always had that issue with my Auto Technic ones. Not hating, I'm just saying, like, there was times where it didn't feel as stable clicking from the bottom. Even though they were kind of even that stronger metal, it just felt kind of flimsy. These ones, super solid. Cannot wait to post more POVs, guys. Let's go. These are so sick. Bam, 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 crank up. Shout out to the homie Kex, bro. He literally did that. He did that in like 10 minutes. Damn, 2 installs in 1 video. Somebody else needs to pull up. We could fit in a third.
Yes, sir. I got all the time.
We out here. And again, make sure you guys disconnect your battery before all of this. All right, guys, thank you for tuning into this video. Hopefully it helped you guys, and hopefully some of you guys are gonna now pick up the new product from JQ Works. You guys are gonna be getting some other POVs from me and some more video content on the paddles. Just wanted to do a little install video with the homie Kex. He had a little bit of time for me, so came through. He knocked it out real quick. And then Dreezy's car, can't wait for him to get his reaction. So there's gonna be another video continuing on with this vlog, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.